Hey guys, and welcome back to school from summer break with a brand new series that I wanted to introduce to you through this video. This new series is super exciting and special because I'm going to be sharing with you everything I learned through my undergrad and master's photography school education for free on YouTube. 3 times a week. Think of it like part-time school. I'm going to be posting photography lessons. Each lesson is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes long, and in each lesson I'm going to outline a key fundamental topic that I learned in school. I am, however, going to skip over all of the bureaucratic crap I was taught that over time in the real world of photography I learned was absolutely untrue and totally non-relevant. Because I don't want to waste your time. I simply want to share with you as much information as possible that will actually be of use to you as young, blossoming photographers. That said, I am going to be going through my actual old school schedules and class outlines to share with you guys from the basics to advanced. Classes through principles of photography, working with models, bidding for jobs, beginner to advanced in Photoshop, studio lighting, web design, marketing, from fashion to food subjects, editorial, contracts, usage, photo history, printing portfolios, making online portfolios, and so much more. Everything I learned in photo school. Quick disclaimer though, I am not covering film photography or film processing in this series because I didn't actually end up using it that much in my career, and also I don't have a darkroom to be able to adequately teach you about it. But the best part about this series is that I'm breaking everything up into 10 to 15 minute little lessons, and they're gonna all be labeled by topic so you can pick and choose what information is relevant to you and what you think you want to learn. So basically, if you're not totally into photo history, or maybe you already know some of the basic lessons, then you can skip over those. You don't have to watch them. I will also have a few surprise guest speakers to give lectures on the series as well, who are all working photographers with specific niches in the industry. Each new week, I will bring to your computer 3 new lessons until I feel I've been able to share with you everything that was important that I learned in my photography school education. If you're someone who is seriously interested in applying to or attending a photography school, I highly recommend you watch this series first because these lessons can give you a huge boost among other freshman students. If you don't have any intention of attending photography school, that's also great because in these lessons, that's exactly what I'm teaching you, for free. The main reason I thought of and wanted to do this series was because, like so many other young American teenagers, I ended up taking out loans to pay for my photography school education. By doing my undergrad and master's programs, it ended up totaling around $240,000 US. So now I'm in massive debt. Looking back on it, I realized there was so much that I learned that wasn't at all relevant moving forward out of school into the real working photography industry. There was also a lot that I learned that could have been learned for free online. So now I'm here, offering what I learned to you. I love to learn from others, and I hope through this series that I'm able to pass on some of the technical educational skills that I learned in school. With these short 10-minute lessons, I will share with you everything. So that's it for now. Let me give you some details so you can show up to class on time. I will be posting these lessons 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The lessons will be posted live at 1 p.m. US Eastern Standard Time. For those of you like me living in the UK, that is 6 p.m. London time. Again, these are the live times, so if you tune in to watch the video at this time, I will be available to live chat with you and answer any additional questions you may have during the video. However, if you can't catch the live stream, I always read every comment, and I'm more than happy to do my best to answer any questions you guys have or comments you post. I will also give optional homework assignments where you can take what you've learned from the lesson afterwards and try it out for yourself. If you would like, I will even critique your work. I absolutely love to see what you guys create. Just email me. My email is in the About section of this channel, but please respect my inbox and don't spam me like a crazy robot. I am so excited to share what I know with you guys so that you too can make the leap from amateur to pro. Along with these lessons, I will also continue to post other photography, filmmaking, and editing tutorials in the other sections of this channel. However, this section will be completely reserved for this series of everything that I learned in photography school specifically. If you're looking for other photography tips and tricks, just check out the other sections of my channel as well. Most importantly, remember to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any new video lessons or photography or filmmaking tutorials. I would love to see you all on Instagram, and you can follow me at Gabrielle Ruddick to see all of the latest in my life and other random things like Instagram giveaways, which are specific to Instagram only. Looking forward to seeing you all next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for class.